because it has a little set of them for. Oh, now it works further. You see it though?
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. I ain't even gonna hold it.
Okay, hey y'all, I'm back. So I started on this video yesterday, about to fall downstairs. I started on this video yesterday with making my son shirt, but I didn't actually do it yesterday, so I'm actually about to do it today. This was scissors. It's some light. Can't see nothing. Can't see nothing. Okay, so I'm actually about to start on his shirt now, so that can be drying all the way up into his pictures tomorrow. And so I gotta put y'all on the tripod, so give me one second. Okay y'all, so for right now, okay, my head a little cut off, but for right now, let's see it. I'm gonna just show y'all what I have. So this is a shirt. Show y'all the supplies. What did I do? Oh, it's okay. So let me show y'all what idea came from. On my phone. Oh, let me show y'all my phone. Okay. Let's see. What am I doing? Okay, so I got the idea from Corn. Okay, look, y'all. So, as y'all can see, his shirt has rhinestones on it, and they really black. They're black rhinestones, y'all, and it looks so neat, so nice. So that's what I'm finna do to this shirt. Not the whole shirt, because he put a jersey over it, but I'm finna do like the sleeves, so like from right here down. I'm finna do his shirt. I'm finna do his shirt, and we're just gonna see how it turns out, okay? And then I'll show y'all like tomorrow, once I start packing for his photo shoot. I will show y'all his outfit and stuff, because yeah, my boyfriend had his own. He is my boyfriend had his shit on. But anyway, so let me show you what I got. So I got this shirt from Walmart. This shirt was from Walmart. It was $5. And I got this blue from Walmart, which was also $5. And then I have another one of these. I got this one too, the big one, for $5. But I got this one because it has the little tips up there, and I need those for the rhinestones. And then I got these black rhinestones, a whole set of them for what am I trying to say? Oh, from SHEIN. I got these for SHEIN. And then I got this from Walmart, and it was $2, and it comes with 2 trays, the little rhinestone grabbers, and the little wax things, which I don't know what the wax things are for, but it comes with 2 trays of wax things. And yeah, so that's what I got, and we're about to start. I am about to set it up, and then I will show y'all. I gotta get the thumbnail, so I gotta take a picture of my supplies. But I'm only doing the sleeves, y'all, remember? I'm only doing the sleeves. So Okay, I'll come back to y'all with some setup because I also gotta find me something to watch on TV. I don't know if I want to watch Outer Banks or if I want to watch SWAT, but it's gonna be one of the two because I don't want to watch YouTube right now. So yeah. Okay, y'all, before I start my show, I cut this box out. I used this box, and so now I'm going to measure on the shirt and see how wide I need to make it, because I want the shirt to be stretched up a little bit, so it'll be easier for me to place the diamonds on there. I know y'all can't see. So this is the shirt, and then this is the box, and so I think I want it to be like right over here somewhere, which still might be too big, a little bit. And then I'm going to put this here. See if it do what I want it to do. This is too wide. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So, because I've been on the phone. Okay, y'all, so I got my thing out and I looked up a video to figure out how to even pick up the diamonds, because as y'all can see, let me show y'all diamonds. So this is my tray of diamonds right now, and I had turned them all over, and so I was trying to figure out how did I pick them up, because this right here, it came with like a wax thing, and so I figured out that you're supposed to Lord, please don't let me drop it. I figured out that you're supposed to put the wax in there. I figured that out, so I looked up YouTube video, because I kept on trying to pick it up and it wasn't picking up. But oh, now it works. Look, yay. Okay. So now I figured that out. So now I gotta do this part. Okay? I gotta figure out which one of these I'm finna put on here in order to make the small dots. So I gotta figure out which one of these I'm finna put on here to make the small dots. And it's probably gonna be this one. Yeah, this one will work. That one will work too. But we'll do this one. Like, do it. Hold on. Y'all, I couldn't open this earlier. Just a minute ago. But let me see. I know we go on there. It go on here. I mean, it go on this part. But I need to open it first, though. Ow! I'm about to break my freaking nail off. That just hurted so bad. Oh my god, it didn't break nothing, but god dang. That just hurted so bad. It did. Oh my god. I could just did that a long time ago. That shit just hurted. Not gonna lie to you. That shit just hurted so bad. Okay, it's on there now. Make sure one more time. Okay. Or should I do a smaller one? about the same size, babe. We can do this one. And so here go my shirt. Y'all can see. Here go my shirt right here. Okay. Let me move it back. Lord, don't hit my thing. Move all this over there. Right, my shirt. Let me put this back on here. So let's see. Let's see if it works. Let's try it.
Falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. Maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that.
Up pressing these niggas who claim not ready. And then all on the yacht with my motherfucking shirt off, look at it, my whole body tatted. Got the T-Rex automatic. No ice out to Atlantic. Bulletproof truck and it's medic. Ain't taking shit else for granted. All this shit costs, it ain't nothing for free in the street, so yeah, I gotta have it. Yeah, stay young, got no one, and I'm still a big P, and I'm still like Dallas. Back on the edit. One of my diamonds a paddock. I got these niggas the maddest. I'm dressing up like a salad. I say this. I said they be on the attic. She done pulled up with no panties. In my Los Angeles palace, And I'm right back over there. Still got some bulls on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in the leg, the condo. We bout to use my Giano. Up in the P.I., I'm beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up the right, get your folks out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. Said nigga won't talk out the side of his neck. I just let it be young, come and swallow.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit to this pot. He brought me the money sealed up.
Okay, y'all, let me, hold on. I want to zoom this more. Hold on. I have to zoom out. Okay, y'all. So, I finally finished the shirt, y'all. Kind of. More so. This is how it looks. Y'all can see it a little bit. This is how the other side looks. I might do some more. I might go up further. You see it, though? It's so cute, ain't it? It's so freaking cute. Look. It's so cute. I might go up further. Tonight, later on tonight. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to take it out. I might go up further later on tonight, but right now I'm finna do some business stuff and take care of that. So for right now, this is the end of my video. Thank you for doing the DIY of my son's shirt with me. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. More fashion content coming. And yeah, his picture is tomorrow and I can't wait. Okay, bye.